We'll take care of you forever and we'll never let you go.
And we'll buy you all the toys in this store.
We'll have 2 shots of your strongest whiskey.
Yeah, we're 21.
Oh, thank you. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
You're failing my class.
I think helicopter parenting is something that parents try to do to protect their children. However, instead of protecting them, they can hinder them from living and experiencing their own lives. I think that parents should trust themselves and feel that they did the best they could. Instead of watching their every move, they should maybe ask them questions. Instead of being a helicopter parent, just be a parent, not a friend, but someone that's responsible and someone that asks them questions, and that way they have their trust and they know that the children can come to them with whatever they need.